I'm taking on another boat flip, but this time with a handful of girlfriends in Mexico. But let's back up. After completing the refit on my beautiful pirate ship, I took a bad fall. I broke 3 ribs and punctured my lung. And after a stay in the hospital, we missed our weather window south, and the pirate ship was socked in for the winter. So Searle and I decided that I would go do another boat flip to enable us to purchase some much-needed offshore safety gear, and he would look after the pirate ship for the winter in Washington. So don't you worry about Searle. He's going to be just fine.
Cuddle? I'm in.
You don't have to tell me twice.
Like the warm up to the shoulders and burn.
How do I?
So the PSI is going to be right here. So you're at like 6 right now. Yeah. Believe in you. Anya's sprinting here.
Right here is a great jump.
In this little secret bay. I wanted everybody to come over here because I saw fish jumping. And I think that I will be coming this way to throw the old rod in the water and see. Thought I was wearing my sunglasses for that one.
This video is sponsored by Kamikoto Knives. Kamikoto is crafted of Japanese steel, using techniques that have been honed by generations of knifesmiths. The knives use a single beveled edge and are each individually inspected. I'm using the 5-inch utility knife. The knives are used by Michelin star chefs all around the world. If you're looking for a world-class knife as a gift, or you're looking to add to your own collection, then head over to kamikoto.com/Sailing This Lone Star. Not only will you be supporting Sailing This Lone Star, you'll get $50 off with any purchase. Kamikoto has exceptional customer service and offers a lifetime guarantee. It also comes in a beautiful box for safe storage and keeping. Now, back to the video.
What just happened?
Well, I figured it was my turn to put water inside the boat. Everybody else seems to be doing it.
Muchos aguas.
Is boat washing everything it's cracked up to be?
Yeah, actually it's kind of better than washing stuff on land. A little less dirty, a little more chalky. But yeah, not too bad. And also very convenient because we have water right here on the dock. And if you fall in, you don't fall in the dirt, you just fall in the water. So there. Okay, excuse me. Pardon, disculpe. I have a question. I really want to cook inside of this boat, and I'm just wondering what the first step is to figuring out if we are leaking propane, or are we all going to take a long nap after lunch? I want to just know.
We're gonna get a canary.
I think that's really good coal mine. I don't know that's for propane.
Apparently I turn on the lighter and just go close to it when it turns on.
Perfect idea.
That's what they told me.
I have a ride or die crew, which is amazing. So Anya's gonna be the canary, and Ken's gonna supervise, and Jordan's gonna take notes.
I'm just going to sit here and ask questions. Number one, what?
What?
Should we just try and turn it on?
What?
Should we just turn it on? Anybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, fire in the hole. Fire.
Should we turn it on out there and then in there?
So
I don't know.
Everybody's crazy faces?
maybe we should.
Ready.
Maybe we should look and see what kind of system they have. So before we try anything, though, I'm gonna. Technically, by ABYC standards, there should be a solenoid shutoff valve near this. But since we're in Mexico, apparently this boat didn't fall under any of those rules or regulations.
In the remodel? Because this kitchen was obviously remodeled.
Which is why the boat's listing to port a little.
Because we're all.
This is heavy.
No.
Nobody's aboard of it.
Okay.
So I think because of that little wiener dog is a propane turned off, I feel like the propane is off right now.
Right.
So we
like
should
it's
turn it
old school
on.
manual on and off, but no solenoid valve.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good. I like it. That makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Small as a thing. Don't want to end up like Tom Hanks on that. No white boy rapping here. Shit.
Chet Hanks. He's real.
He's real, people. Real crazy.
Real conspiracy. I'm gonna get this out of the way.
Fire in the hole! Fire in the hole!
American turistas, blown up on boat. Use it around.
Put that there. Hey, all yours, get them out.
Okay, you run to the door. bad
It's
thing.
gonna happen. It's a guinea pig situation.
Yeah.
Okay.
The bilge isn't full of water at the moment.
Or gasoline.
All right, we got 100 pounds PSI. That's good. This tank got pressure. Pressured up, people. Ducks and hounds, hold your ears.
Okay.
About to fire this bad boy up.
Whoa, just so everybody knows what we're referencing. You're gonna
Yeah, put this. We found the boat with this.
just wear that around your neck.
That could be the rule. Whoever's cooking, wear that around your neck.
I don't know if I want to be the main snack provider anymore if I have to wear that.
Nice little ducks and hounds.
Oh God.
Now it might take a while for it to get over here. Might not.
Should we move the towel so it's not gonna catch on fire?
Where's a
No.
fire extinguisher?
Right up to his right, next to the bowl tomato.
I think it shouldn't be behind him.
You feel like that? Oh, we got a glass of water. We're
Fascinated and terrified all at the same time. But look at that, you guys. I mean, I can just put a tea kettle on and make us hot water now.
You smell something weird?
Instead of burning up
Maybe
a
you could
pug.
turn the gas thing off.
Jordan?
What?
Can you go turn the gas valve off?
Yeah, I'm also
Okay.
smelling gas.
Sounds fun. I'm out of here. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Well, we know the top works. It says. I have no idea what I'm doing here. Not feeling good about it. If somebody doesn't like pie, that's like a red flag. Who doesn't like pie?
We're gonna put that on your dating profile.
That's how I feel about mayonnaise and seafood. The tennis team taking pictures.
Oh, in
Ready?
the background.
Okay. We were concerned that the oven and the stovetop were
Yeah.
not going to work, but alas,
Thank you.
there was fire in the hole. So we're going to make all kinds of food, and I'm super, super stoked on that. So we are done with that project. Now on to the next. What will it be? I'm not sure. Let's go see. Ooh, it rhymed. This season on Vimeo is going to be a wild one. I'm taking on another boat flip, but this time with a handful of girlfriends in Mexico. Help me.
See if it's
Yeah, this is how you get a sailing firm. Do you actually need help? Okay, grab the gas. So proud of you, man!
My Sunday surprise in a bowl.
Tanya working out in the back like a beast.